Hey guys, welcome back again. Last week we have seen a ratio spread and how to make adjustments and how to make this lossless. And also we have seen the rules to create the ratio spread. Before that, I have also created different spread types and how to create and how to adjust them and what is the scenario that we have to consider to create this. Okay, you can see these videos if you have not seen already. You will get some information before seeing this video and I'll put it this in the description. Okay. And coming back to debit spread, here we can create two types of debit spreads. One is bull call debit spread and other one is bear put debit spread. If you see this, this is towards the upside and this is towards the downside, right? So bull call, when our view is upside, when the market goes high, we'll get the profit here. Okay, whereas in the bulls bear put spread, we'll get the profit when the market goes in the negative direction. So here we need to have view based on our support and resistance or based on our chart analysis or any other indicators. So it's advisable to have a view. And even if the view goes wrong, we can make adjustments and come out with the profit. We will see that in the back testing. Today I'm going to show the back testing when the market goes in our favor, and I'm going to create call debit spread. Okay, bull call debit spread, and I will make it lossless with our adjustments, and also we'll go come out with a good profit when it goes in our favor. So in the next video, we are going to see the bear put debit spread, where I'll create the strategy, and when the view goes wrong, we will see the different adjustment types to make the spread profitable even our view goes wrong. Okay, and we'll also see the rules to create the strategy debit spread. If you see here, risk reward is always more than 1 is to 2. So we have to make sure the risk reward is good here. So that's what I'm going to explain, that how to do that. Maybe you will understand more when I do the back testing. Even here, if you see, it is 1 is to 3, close to 1 is to 3. So this is how we have to maintain risk reward, so that even if our view goes wrong, with our adjustments we can come out with profit. Okay, so coming to rules, so I'm going to buy the legs at 35 to 40 delta, and whatever premium we get in the buy legs, exactly 50% or little more than 50% we are going to sell. Okay, and we should make sure it is at least 1 is to 2 risk reward. And adjustments, you will understand more when we do the back testing, and you may have some confusions if I explain now. So for the first time, whenever there is a decay of 40% in the buy leg or sell leg, we are going to sell one more leg with which covers 40% of the loss side, 40 to 60%. It will vary, so we will see in the back testing. And here also, from the second time onwards, whenever there is a decay of 50% in the sell leg, we are going to increase the sell leg premium to cover remaining 50% of the loss side. Okay, so loss side is this. So here, that to the down, to the up here. You will understand more in the back testing. Let's get into the back testing, and it will take very long time. So that's the reason I'm going to show the video with back testing with when the market goes in our favor. The next video we'll see when it goes against our view. Okay, now let's select a month which in the favor of our view, and I'll create one back testing and see how it gives us the profit. Okay, so here if you see, market is continuously going up here, and I think from the March end till April, yeah, I think 27th was the expiry till here. There is some volatility here that will take out some profit back and no problem, but still end of the day we are moving up, and we should be able to get profit. And here also you can create a put spread from, if you create a debit spread somewhere here, bear called bear puts debit spread, this goes down, and you'll get the profit in the bear put spread when your view is to the downside. So here it is very important that you have a view initially strong view, so you can create support and resistance lines and can have a view on the market based on your analysis, trying to take the support and continuously moving up. Maybe once this breaks out here on 29th, middle of the day, then you can create. So this is where it is just breaking the resistance and then started moving up. So middle of the day you can create on 29th. So based on that, if I start middle of the day somewhere at 12:50 or 2:30 anytime, this time I'll select. You can just select roughly like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 12:50, anytime is okay. So in the prior market, I'm going for monthly strategies. I'll go with the future price always. The market is roughly 17,000, and I will, if you see the rules of the game, somewhere around 30 to 40, I have to sell buy a leg here. Okay, then exactly 50% of the premium I will sell. Okay, 50% of the buy premium, and we have to make sure the risk reward is at least 1:2. Let's get back to this. So here, as we are creating bull call spread, I'll do with the call. We are going to create a call spread, and the market was somewhere here. So 40, 35 to 40 delta. If you see, this is the one. I mean, close to that. I will just buy, or you can also move little down so that risk reward will be good. So I will just select the 35 delta. So maybe we'll create with one lot, and exactly half of this price, close to half of this price is this. I think it is little lesser, but still okay. So we have to sell one lot. So it's a 1:1, not like ratio spread. It is 1:1. There in the ratio spread, we were selling 1:2, right? So now if you see, this is how it is looking, and the risk reward is a little less than 1:2. As this is a monthly strategy, we'll move by one day. You can see the PNL here or here. Okay, let's go by one day. And we can also make this lossless. I'll show you how. Once we get into some profit, we'll do it. So you can keep tracking that, how to make a lossless. So if you see the PNL, you can just see if you can book some intrinsic value. If you get to more than 50, book that intrinsic value and come go little away from the call side, so that there is a good chances we can make this lossless. 4733, right? And if you see here, just 33. So it is not a good idea to move away for 30 rupees. Let's go by one day more. Okay, now we will see 497, right? Still we have only 40 rupees, and nowadays premiums are very low. That is the reason we are not getting the intrinsic value properly. So now we will have a look. Still less than 50. This is not happening because of the low premiums. And if you see, we are in a good profit here already. So just for one lot generally takes 30,000 or 20,000. You can keep a 40,000 margin for this, and by considering that we are more than 10% already. Okay, so when we are at 10%, either you can easily exit, or you can make this lossless. Here beer, I think 45, and here also 45. So let's book 45 only, and see how it looks. We are trying to make lossless, right? So I'll come till here. Two, three strikes will move away, and then buy it, and also exit this at 600. So generally, when the premiums are good, you will get more than 50. Now premiums are very bad, and to lock the profit, we have to do this. If you see now, we have locked 2,300 to the down here. And, since we already are in good profit, I think it is wise to exit. It is more than 10%. It is good idea to exit from this profit. Maybe I can also tell you different options that we can do. If you see here, 17,500, and currently the market is running at 17,800, right? So at the money is 800 plus 17,800. So what I'll do, I will just go a little away to increase this profit, maybe one or two strikes away. So I'll just buy at 17,550, 600. Yeah, and let's see how the payoff graph looks when we do this. I'm just showing a different alternative options, that adjustment options that we have. If you see here, the maximum profit is increased, and we have also opened down side for the loss. Okay, we are going to take some risk. So initially we have locked some profit, whereas now we moved away and opened some loss to the downside. And I'm just showing the different option. Must My first priority is booking the profit when we reach this level. Even if you reach 5,000 per lot, that's very good profit. This is when the market goes in your favor. Let's see what happens if we stay till the end. So as the market gone in our favor, so we have achieved maximum profit. Okay. So this is how we can have a view and achieve maximum profit from the directional strategies. Okay, guys, this is very useful video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.